Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Communication Star. If you want to improve your English communication in a simple and stress-free way, you're in the right place. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Daily Communication Star. It really supports our work. So today's episode is a little special. I've invited a guest who also went through the same English speaking struggles as many of us. Please welcome Ananya.
Hi Rohan, hi everyone. Thanks for inviting me.
It's great to have you here, Ananya.
I'm a little nervous, not going to lie.
That's perfect for today's topic then. So Ananya, today we're talking about something very real.
Yes.
The why people feel nervous while speaking English.
Oh yes, that nervous feeling.
The blank mind?
The dry mouth.
Exactly.
And suddenly forgetting even simple words.
Like forgetting your own name.
Yes.
Ananya, let me ask you honestly.
Go ahead.
Did you ever avoid speaking English?
Many times, Rohan.
Really?
Yes, especially in college.
What happened?
I was scared people would judge my English.
Judge your grammar?
Grammar, pronunciation, accent, everything.
That sounds very familiar.
I used to think everyone around me spoke perfect English.
Which is not true at all.
Exactly. I realized that later.
Why do you think we fear judgment so much in English?
Because English is linked with confidence and status.
True.
If you speak fluently, people think you're smart.
And if you make mistakes,
People think you're weak.
which is completely unfair.
Very unfair.
English is just a language.
Yes, not a personality test.
I like that line. Ananya, what do you think real English communication is?
Being understood.
That's it?
Yes, if the other person understands you, you're communicating.
Even with mistakes?
Even with mistakes.
That's comforting.
It should be.
Let's talk about accent for a moment.
Ah, the scary topic.
Yes.
I used to hate my accent.
Same here.
I tried copying foreign accents.
Did it work?
No, it just made me more confused.
Same story.
Then I realized clarity matters more.
Absolutely.
Accent doesn't block communication.
Fear does. Do you think thinking in English helps?
Yes, but slowly.
Slowly is the key word.
If you try to think big sentences, your brain freezes.
Like a computer hanging.
Exactly. Loading, nothing happens.
Perfect example.
Start with small thoughts.
Like I am hungry.
Or I'm late.
Or why am I doing this podcast?
That too.
Ananya, how did you actually improve your English?
By speaking daily.
With people?
With myself first.
Mirror practice.
Yes, and talking while walking.
I do that too.
It feels weird at first,
Very weird.
but then it feels normal.
And confidence grows. Have you ever spoken English and then replayed it in your head?
Oh my god, yes.
Thinking, why did I say that?
All the time.
I sometimes correct my sentence after the conversation is over.
Same, alone in my room.
That's part of learning.
Yes, and it's okay.
What message would you give to someone scared to speak English?
Speak scared.
Speak scared?
Yes, confidence comes after speaking, not before.
That's powerful.
Waiting for confidence doesn't work.
Action first, confidence later.
Exactly.
So Ananya, let me ask you this. Is grammar important or not?
It is important, Rohan, but not while speaking.
That's a powerful line.
Grammar's for practice time, not talking time.
Exactly. While speaking, fluency matters more.
And confidence too.
Confidence hides many small mistakes.
Haha, that's true.
Ananya, one last fear.
Public speaking?
Yes.
Start small.
Small sentences
Small situations.
like ordering food.
Or asking directions.
that builds courage.
Slowly and naturally.
All right, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's podcast.
If you enjoyed this conversation,
All right, everyone, that brings us to the end of today's podcast. And if it motivated you to practice English daily, please like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Daily Communication Star. We bring you simple, real English conversations every week. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep shining as an English communicator. This is Rohan from Daily Communication Star.
and I'm Ananya. Thank you for listening.
Bye bye, see you soon.